Okay, we're getting started for the day. We came out at about 11 o'clock. It's about 12 now. Pulling in for my first dump here. And it's my birthday, I forgot to mention. So that too. So I'll get some footage here of me unloading in a little bit. So, here we go. I'm in a little predicament. We still got some beans in here, as you can see. The wagon is emptied. So what I did was I hopped in the tractor while this was getting emptied, and it was all empty. And I ran around, hopped in the tractor, and I was letting the hopper clean itself out when it looked like it quit turning, but the PTO looked like it was still turning. This cover here was turning, so I assumed the PTO was turning too. So, not sure what's going on here because the hopper quit turning just randomly. Might have sheared a pin, don't know. Probably did, but hoping that that's what it is, because honestly I have no idea what that could be, because that might be a problem if it's not that. Okay, so we got the problem fixed. It was in the hopper. A bolt dropped out, or sheared, we don't know. So we simply had to go in to the dealership and grab a new bolt. So now we're back rolling again. It's been about an hour. We had to locate the problem, so that was a little time consuming, but I'm about to head back out with the Demco. Gonna drop it off, and then I'm waiting for him to put another load in the Parker, and then I'll bring that in and do the same thing here, and hopefully the auger doesn't quit working. Let's see. Okay, so it's about 5:30. We started today at about 11, so we've been going for a while yet. We're not done yet. I've been hauling wagons all day. I haven't recorded anything for a couple hours. Try to shorten some video time. But yeah, that's just a quick update. The rest of the field is there, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, we still got a little bit up on the northeast corner and down in the south, or the northwest corner yet. But then everything else is just down and back. So we're just working hard today, and that's an update. So. So as you can see there, the beans have quit running out of the top 2 compartments. So there are 3 compartments actually running along the top in the ceiling here. We were filling the middle one, and what we did was we cut holes in the walls between the middle one and this one right up here, because otherwise we'd have to bring the auger around to this side, and it's really tight here. So we just thought maybe we could, once this top compartment completes filling, it'll run over to this side, and it'll fill this area, and then it'll fill that compartment. So we don't have to bring the auger over here at all. And so, then we can just move the auger forward simply, and then we can just fill the front section and front compartment. So, yeah, that's basically what we're doing here now. So this is how much we've gotten done so far. We won't be getting done tonight. There's a little bit way up there on the hill. Probably about, I don't know how many acres. Then we got this all over here, and then a little bit down there. We haven't touched those because those are the wetter spots yet. But we'll get to them tonight, hopefully. That's the plan. Alright, so we're wrapping it up for the night. He's working over there. I left the Parker back there. He's going to fill that, and then he's going to run over and get that little bit up there. I'm going to dump this on the Demco, and then I'm going to park it here by the cart, and then he'll just dump whatever's on the combine into the Demco, and we'll probably unload the Parker tomorrow morning. And I don't know what we're going to do with the Demco. Yeah, that's what we're up to right now. Wrapping it up for tonight. Had a pretty good birthday today. That was fun. That keeps tipping over. Jeez. Whenever this thing downshifts, it really makes a lot of noise. I suppose what can you expect from a power shift anyways, but ugh. Say and I accidentally shift 2 and then it'll do that crap. I'm just kidding, I love this tractor. Sometimes it'll do that and I don't know what that's all about. Get her up to 2,000 RPM. I know it's like really hard to see, but if you look close enough, those other sections are starting to run down because that compartment, the middle compartment started flowing into this one right here, and now that one's unloading here. So it worked out as we thought. Now we just gotta make sure it doesn't run over this edge here. As nighttime grows near, you just gotta use the headlights, right? And drive like a complete idiot. That too. Doing about 6 miles an hour. I think we'll beat the wind. God, I don't know. And here we go. Clickety clank. There we go. Clickety clank. You gotta give some care to your wagons, right? Okay. Oh yeah. This area is a little rough, just a little. We were working here the other day, I think it was, yeah, it was yesterday. Yesterday was still drying because 2 days ago got about 1/10 of rain, so we only got a couple acres done yesterday. We didn't do a whole lot because it was really wet. Yeah, we couldn't get it below, I want to say 14 for the longest time. And then it got down to 12 a little bit of 13 later in the day. We just got lucky in the high spots. And then we finished the high spots, and we didn't have anywhere to go, so we had to wait. And here we are getting 9.7. Now that's a winner. Do what I did last year when I parked them and kind of put them in between each other. How about that? Okay. Lights off. Good nighty. Alright, that was a pretty successful day. We still got a little bit to do, you know. Just, he's gonna get that little bit up there done and then dump it in here, and we'll get that wagon in the morning, and we'll probably just let this one sit and we'll fill it up again. I gotta leave tomorrow, so I don't know if I'll get a whole lot in, but we'll have to see. So tomorrow brings what tomorrow brings.